Hi guys, let's start with the workshop. Let's make a ring. For this project you will need 14 millimeters rivoli, crystal rivoli. You will need round seed bead size 15 and you will need Miyuki Delica bead size 11. First, what you have to do is to pick up 36 Delica beads. I already did it. Leave about 6 inches of tail or 15 centimeters of tail. So now you can press the pause and continue when you have your 36 beads. I will continue with the video. So I have 36 beads. What you have to do is to pass back through few beads. How much you can pick with your needle. You can as much as possible, you know. For example, I don't know how much I have here, but it's maybe a third or maybe a little bit more than a third of the beads what I have. Now keep the tail with your fingers all the time and now pull the needle and the thread. Just a minute, something happened here. What did I picked up something. No, I didn't pick up. Now it's good. So, this is my tail. And here I have my working thread. All the time now until you add few beads, keep the tail very tight here between your fingers. Why I didn't make a knot? I don't like to make a knot when I'm doing when I'm bezeling rivoli, because you know the beads are already too small, and maybe later on I will need to pass through some of those beads, and in order to embellish like this one, you see. So I was passing through some beads here, and then yeah, maybe it can happen that I just have to pass through the bead where is the knot. I don't tie a knot when I bezel rivoli. Okay, now we have our tail between our fingers and palm, and here we are going to just do normal tubular peyote around with size 11. So pick up one bead, one delica, skip the first one and pass through the next one, and like that till the end of the circle. So this is tubular peyote. So now when we made a few beads, then you can leave this tail because it's already secure enough so that you can continue without having a problem with your tail and or fear that the tail is going to become shorter. As you know, we are now going around and we are going to come to the point where we have to step up. What is the most important thing in tubular peyote stitch? Also, how we said, I always want to remind you that, so we have 36 beads what we picked up. That means that we will have in the next row, we will have 18 up beads. I will also show how to make that like a star shape around your rivoli on the front. Very easy. So just to give some even more nice look of your ring. I'm coming closer. So here I am. I have to step up now. So pick up that last bead, skip the next delica and pass through the last bead from the previous row and pass up and exit through the first added delica in this row. Very important. Okay, now we are going to use 15s. Make a row with 15s, and each time when you add a 15, you pull the thread tighter so that the thread is not visible. You see that now, and also in order to shrink, in order to shrink this shape, yeah, you see how is already folding towards the center of the circle. So you have to make 2 rows with size 15s. This is a first row. At the end of the row, you are, of course, step up. So finish this row, and after that make another row with 15s. And here we are. Oh, this one, you see that sometimes those 15s are too small, cannot pass through the needle cannot pass through it. So this one, and the last one, what we said, what we are doing, we have to step up. So pass first to the last delica and exit, pass up and exit through round 15s. You see, this is what we have. This is what we have. Now continue and make 1 row more. I will also make my row, and then see you in the next lesson to show you what to do next. See you.